Okay, so for my thing link, I decided to do it on the life cycle of a butterfly. And this is going to be a science thing link specifically focused on around second grade. I was looking at the Common Core unpacking standards and under structures and functions of living organisms. Some of the clarifying objectives students need to understand animal life cycles. They need to summarize the life cycle of animals, including birth, developing into adult, reproducing, aging, and death. So I specifically focused on the life cycle of a butterfly, um, and then instead of a bunch of different types of animals. Um, so yeah, this is specifically going to be on the life cycle of a butterfly, and the content area is science. Okay, so I included 4 different links to 4 different resources for students to use. The first resource down here is a National Geographic website, which is for kids, and it basically tells the different stages of the butterfly life cycle in kid-friendly terms. It gives a lot of great pictures. Um, it gives a lot of great pictures for students to look at, and starts off with the egg, stage 1, stage 2, the caterpillar, and so on and so forth. So this is a really great resource for students, and it's in a really great kid-friendly language. So the second resource, I have embedded 2 videos into here. One is more of a um, this one goes more into the details of the life cycle of a butterfly. It has got some really great graphics in it. Um, and it shows um, live, real life
As a caterpillar
pictures and images. So I think this one's really great. I've also embedded another video, which is the Metamorphosis song, which tells the life cycle song in a song form. And so that's really great for students to hear it as a song because it helps it stick with them. And then the last thing I've included in my thing link or resource that I've embedded is this one right here. It will load. Don't know why it's not loading, but basically it is a game for students. Oh, there. Was going. Let me log out of this and go back in. All right, let's try this now. Okay, here it goes. So, this is called the Butterfly Life Cycle game, and basically it's a game for students to play, an interactive game for students to play, where they are questioned on different stages of the butterfly life cycle, and it's a super fun resource for students to use. Let me see if it will let me play it.
Many insects like
It gives you a little
click and drop the given words to label the different stages of the life cycle of a butterfly.
So, for example, I could drag, it has all of these, and I have to click and drag given words to figure out which stage is which. So,
Egg.
and I drag the word, and I would put
Mother butterfly lays eggs.
So that would be an example of how I would do that. And then I would do it for all the different stages, and this is a great resource that's fun for students to use.
Click and drop the pictures in the correct boxes.
It also has different functions like the pictures, so I can put, the egg here. But yeah, I can click and drag and put different ones in different places. So yeah, so those are all my resources. All of these are great resources to use in a to teach about the life cycle for butterflies. So basically, all these can help support student learning because they're all interactive resources that provide information in new and interesting ways. Um, the game makes it interactive for students after they watch the video. Um, both the videos, they can play the game, and also after they read the article, they can play the game and help reinforce what they just learned. So